how to make more money from YouTube by targeting these high-paying niches. If you're looking to make more money from your YouTube channel, there are a few high-paying niches you should target. According to Forbes, the 5 highest-paying YouTube niches are gaming, DIY, do-it-yourself, cooking, fashion, and beauty. If you can produce videos that appeal to these audiences, you're sure to make a lot of money from YouTube. You don't need to be a YouTube star to make money from the video platform. By targeting high-paying niches, you can make a healthy side income from your channel. One way to find high-paying niches is to look at the ads that are being run on YouTube. Chances are, if there's money to be made in a niche, someone is trying to capitalize on it by running ads. Another way to find high-paying niches is to look at what's popular on other platforms. For example, if you see a lot of fitness videos on Instagram, there's a good chance that fitness is a high-paying niche on YouTube as well. In conclusion, by targeting high-paying niches on YouTube, you can make more money from your channel. By choosing a niche that you are passionate about and knowledgeable about, you can create content that people will want to watch, and that will help you to grow your channel. Remember to keep your viewers engaged by creating interesting and engaging content, and always be on the lookout for new opportunities to monetize your channel. Finally, you can use Google Trends to get an idea of which niches are growing in popularity. This tool lets you see how often particular keywords are being searched for online.